Alright guys, so today we're taking a look at another screen protector that's promising an anti-reflective display for your S25 Ultra. Now before we had reviewed one and the anti-reflectiveness wasn't so great on it. And I looked at the regular Samsung display as opposed to the screen protector, that anti-reflective property kind of went away. Let's see if this one's any better. And today we are taking a look at the Benks GlassWarrior AR for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now, huge shout out to Benks for sending this screen protector over to me to review for you guys. The price on it is $32.99, but I do have a discount code that I'll leave right here. Use code Brian15 to save 15% off of your entire purchase on Benks' website. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and then we'll install it. Now, taking a look at the packaging, it does say GlassWarrior screen protector right here, HD clarity and transparency, enhanced explosion proof, and scratch resistance. Now, this is going to be the anti-reflective version for the S25 Ultra. A little more information right here. So it's got an anti-fingerprint and anti-scratch coating. It's responsive for touch. Apparently, this is supposed to be really, really good with your fingerprint scanner, which of course we will test that out in a second. Now, let's go ahead and see what's in the box here, and we'll put it on our S25 Ultra. So let's go ahead and take a look. Oh, nice. Okay, so Benks now gives us, I'm not sure if they were doing this before or not, but they give you the full coverage dust removal sticker. So I love to see that there. Next, we're gonna have a little foam piece. So I'm assuming you're gonna put your phone on that. And then we have the screen protectors. Now, let's go ahead and take this out. So we do have an applicator kit right there. We'll leave that in here for right now. And we do have our installation stuff. Now, this is only gonna come with one screen protector. So just keep that in mind for when you are buying this. You're not getting two in case you do mess one up. So I do wish we did get two of those, but it is what it is. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what we get in here. Now, just popping that open, let's see. We're going to get some stuff. We're gonna get a microfiber cleaning cloth, some dust removal stickers, a wet wipe, and I believe that is it. Now, do we get a squeegee with this one? No squeegee. Okay, so you're on your own for the squeegee. Make sure you keep your whichever one you've had from your previous year's screen protectors, because Benks doesn't give you one. So we have everything laid out here on our desk. Let's go ahead and bring over our black titanium, jet black titanium S25 Ultra here. I do already have it powered off, and I did pull my screen protector off of here. So I am gonna fast forward through some of the installation. I will show you everything, but I'm just gonna fast forward it so this video is not crazy long. So let's get started. Now, first things first, we're gonna take our wet wipe and go ahead and wipe the screen down. All right, now that we have the screen wiped, let's go ahead and take our microfiber cloth right here. Just make sure it's all nice and dry. Just give that a good once over. Make sure you don't have any moisture on there, no extra dust, none of that stuff. And then we'll go to the dust removal sticker afterwards. All right, so let's go ahead and take this nice big dust removal sticker. And what we'll do is we're just gonna go ahead and set it on here. Do it kind of carefully, make sure you get the entire screen covered. Now, it's a little bit smaller than the actual screen, so you may have to reapply it a couple times. Now, apparently this screen protector is going to give you two different layers on here. So it's gonna give you a dust removal layer, and then the rest is gonna put the actual screen protector on. So you're going to get a 1 and a 2. You peel the 1 out first. Let me show you guys. It does have instructions right there. Peel the 1 out first, then you peel the 2. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. And let's finish taking off the dust off of the S25 Ultra here, just in case, make sure we don't have anything there. All right, so now what we're gonna do is there is a top marked right there. We're gonna just attach this to the S25 Ultra here and make sure everything is good once we are aligned. There we go. Everything's looking good here. We're nice and evenly aligned. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set it back on the styrofoam. So first we're gonna pull out this step 1, and then we're gonna pull step 2. So now let's go ahead and wait about 30 seconds. We'll come back and we'll take a look at the screen protector. We'll make sure all the air bubbles and stuff are out. We'll set up our fingerprints and make sure everything is working just fine. All right, so it's been about 30 seconds. Let's go ahead and take this off of here. So let's just do it nice and carefully. Make sure everything is good to go. All right, now our screen protector is on here, and let's go ahead and get some of these air bubbles out. Now, as long as there's no dust particles underneath the air bubbles, they'll come out. If you get a tough one, give it 24 to 48 hours, it will come out by itself. Again, as long as there is no dust particles underneath there. All right, so that was probably one of the quickest dust removals I've ever had, and let's see. We're looking pretty good. I think we're looking pretty good. Now, of course, it's not going to be as anti-reflective as the Galaxy S25 Ultra display, unfortunately, but it is not terrible. It is still pretty decent. Let me just bring it over. I do have another anti-reflective one on my iPhone 16 Pro Max, so let me just show you guys what this is a screen protector on here looking like that's anti-reflective, and on here. So I mean, it's not all the way anti-reflective, but it's probably not as bad as certain other screen protectors that don't have any anti-reflective properties. But again, it's just not going to be as good as the full anti-reflective display on the Ultra. So let's go ahead and turn on my S25 Ultra, and we're going to set up our fingerprints, make sure everything works. All right, so I do have all of my fingerprints removed from here. As you see, it says add fingerprint. So let's go ahead and do that, and we'll test out how it works. All right, now let's go ahead. We'll just wipe this down one time, and let's see how that fingerprint sensor works. Now I am gonna go ahead and keep this away from my face. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh wow, this is even better than the other one. 6, and 1 for good measure, 7. So you're getting really, really good fingerprint responsiveness to this, which is great because I've heard with some other screen protectors that I've used that the fingerprint sensor isn't so good on there. Well, on the Benks, as you guys can see, legitimately 0 issues. You don't have to sit there and force your fingerprint down. There you go. I mean, my face, look, we can even cover the face unlock. Here we go. There we go. Everything is good to go. And now let's go ahead and test that S Pen out because, of course, we are using the Ultra. So just starting to write down. It does come directly up to it, and there's pretty much no lag on here. As you guys can see, now I'm not going to draw you any pictures. I don't really know what to draw, but let's just write, hello, call me, whatever else you want to write. But it does work. That's the most important part. I'm not going to sit here and think of stuff to write. S Pen works just fine. Fingerprint sensor works just fine. So yeah, guys, that's going to be the Benks GlassWarrior AR, the anti-reflective tempered glass screen protector for the S25 Ultra. Let me know what you guys think about this down in the comments below. I'm enjoying it for the few minutes I have been using it. I'm going to keep using it. Now, if it's good, just trust this video. Everything will be fine. If I end up finding out that it's bad, something's wrong, don't worry, I'll update you guys in the comments below. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me. I'll answer as many of them as I can. But yeah, let me know what you think. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel. That goes a very, very long way for me and allows me to consistently make these videos for you. And if you guys want to see my installation of another screen protector that is saying that they are anti-reflective as well, I'll leave that video right here. If you guys want to see one of my favorite cases for the S25 Ultra, I'll leave that right there.